Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Apple AirTags in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Tag Vault 2-Pack. The world's toughest AirTag keychain case, IP68 waterproof, ultra-compact by Elevation Lab. A significant problem with AirTags is their size. It may seem small compared to other gadgets, but slipping it into a confined space can create an unsightly and uncomfortable bump. The Tag Vault wallet holder addresses this by making the flexible plastic holder as thin as possible. The first waterproof case for Apple AirTags. Compact design won't bulk up your keychain. Ultra-durable composite construction with stainless steel hardware. Designed for the real world. Other open designs let AirTag get scratched and take abuse. Never lose your keys again. And useful on other things like backpacks, luggage, jackets, purse, etc. Sound and signal pass-through. Number 4. Men's leather wallet with stealth pocket for AirTag top grain leather bifold RFID. Blocking 8 to 16 card capacity bill divider ID window hidden pocket. Compatible with Apple AirTag Black. Ultimate bifold wallet for men in 2023. Wallet includes 2 built-in holders for AirTag with strong flat snaps, 2 bill compartments, 100+ note capacity, 6 horizontal credit card slots, 6 to 12 card capacity, 2 vertical pockets, extra 2 to 4 card capacity, ID window with thumb slot, RFID blocking layered gift-ready box. Total capacity 8 to 16 cards, 1 or 2 cards per slot/pocket. Measurements: 3.7 LX4, WX 0.3H. 100% leather outer and lining. AirTag not included. 100% ethically sourced cowhide leather. Top grain leather's soft surface and grain texture provides generous grip, resists water, cleans easily, and is a wonderful material thanks to the presence of natural 100% top grain leather outer, 100% leather lining. Number 3. Hawaiian Slim Minimalist front pocket wallet with built-in case holder for AirTag. Built-in case for AirTag. The card holder wallet has one built-in case designed solely for AirTag. Then you will get a slim and nice-looking AirTag wallet, not including AirTag or any other accessories. Spot your wallet at ease. AirTag is not included. After putting your AirTag into the built-in holder, you can spot your wallet easily. Slim Minimalist wallet. Sizing 3.3 x 4.1 x 0.12. This minimalist wallet can easily fit into your front pocket or jeans pocket. Capacity for cards. This slim AirTag wallet can hold as many as 1 ID card, 5 credit cards, and 6 folded banknotes. Perfect gift idea. Packed in a nice gift box, this Hawaiian thin wallet is a perfect gift idea for your beloved ones for birthday, anniversary, Father's Day, New Year's Day to Christmas, and other important occasions. Number 2. Bone XM wallet for men with AirTag Holder Credit slim front pocket real carbon fiber RFID blocking minimalist men's gift black. Spot your wallet at ease. With AirTag, use iPhone you can keep track of and find your wallet alongside devices in the Find My app. AirTag not inside. Safely holds up to 15 credit cards. The new WXM Tactical Wallet will easily and securely hold up to 15 credit/debit cards. The outside notch allows you to push out the cards easily. RFID blocking technology. Breathe easy because your cards will be surrounded by the metal body of this wallet, protecting them from even the most powerful RFID chip readers. High quality and lightweight. We chose our military-grade materials for their durability. Number 1. BRXOE Tadai Metal Wallet with AirTag Holder. Swipeable ID Badge Holder AirTag Wallet for men. Slim aluminum card holder for men. AirTag not included. Always find your wallet. The built-in AirTag holder ensures you'll never lose your wallet again. Just attach an AirTag and use the Find My app to locate your valuables with ease. Convenient ID badge holder. The transparent ID badge holder allows for quick and easy display of your ID or swipe your work badge without needing to remove it from your wallet. Ultimate security. With advanced RFID blocking technology, our aluminum wallet keeps your personal information safe from digital thieves, giving you complete peace of mind. Superior quality and durability. Constructed from high-grade aluminum, our wallet is designed to last, providing you with a reliable and stylish card storage solution for years to come.